Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be sharing with you all how to trim your eyebrows and your facial upper lip hair using a razor in an easy and effective method. So let's get started. This is the razor I'm using and I bought it from Meesho and it is quite affordable too. You can use this around 4 to 5 times and then you can dispose it. So all you need for this is a razor, a mirror and an aloe vera gel. So before directly putting the razor on your face, apply the aloe vera gel on your eyebrows. So this helps to soothe your skin and also gives a refresh feel, and the main thing is it helps in preventing cuts and bumps which happens on your face while shaving it. So now I'm going to start shaving, but before that raise your eyebrows as high as possible so that you don't have any cuts or bleeding while shaving your eyebrow. So I'm gently and slowly doing it and it is in fast forward, so don't worry. So I'm shaving it on a very slow basis. You have to be careful. So lifting your eyebrows helps it easier to shave and also gives a defined shape for your eyebrows. And I'm also having a tissue to wipe off the dirt which I shaved from my eyebrow, and I'm applying the aloe vera gel again to shave the downward portion of the eyebrow. So there'll be like layers of hair on your eyebrow, so holding the mirror closer to you helps to shave it better and in a defined perfect shape. So I'm holding the razor in a 45-degree angle to prevent from cuts and bleeding. So be very careful while doing this because your eyes is very important, right? So please be careful while doing this. Also please make it very slow. There is no hurry or any need. So make it slow. So I've wiped off again and I'm trimming as much as possible and giving it a defined shape. Now I'm wiping off the excess hair which is stuck on the eyebrow and I'm applying again to not get any bumps on my eyebrows. Now I'm applying on the right side of the eyebrows. Same procedure is done. Lift your eyebrows, shave very slowly on the top and on the bottom too. As you can see the difference. Now I am shaving on the bottom of the eyebrow. Applying adequate amount of aloe vera gel and shaving. And the next is upper lip hair, basically known as moustache. Please don't laugh guys. Make your mouth like a bubble so that it will be easy to shave there too. And I'm all done. Perfect eyebrows is ready at home. Hope you loved this video guys. Bye bye.